Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus for the month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see Taurus, your recent past. Page of Cups, Two of Swords, Eight of Swords. I think someone is stuck in past. Still they are stuck because Two of Swords and Eight of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But some communication is there between both of you. But I think one person is almost stuck in this connection. So let's see your feelings towards your person, Taurus. Your feelings towards your person. Okay, let's see. King of Cups, Ten of Cups, Lord of Water Energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Eight of Pentacles, the Hangman. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Maturity and the Ace of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Postponement. Your person feelings towards you. Stress. Yes, someone is stuck in this connection past, but your feelings towards your person, Taurus, definitely you want to offer your cup of love to your person. You want a Ten of Cups with your person. You are spiritually awakening in this connection and you want to work on this relationship this time. Very seriously, it is slow, but seriously, you are in Hangman. I think you are stuck in past. Hangman is also stuck in, and your person feelings towards you, Four of Pentacles. I think they are thinking you are not expressing your feelings. And postponement. They are thinking about you a lot but not taking any action because they are waiting for your action towards them. Maturity, Ace of Pentacles. They also want long-term commitment. Stress, Seven of Wands. They don't want to give up on this connection, but they're feeling very stressed. I think you could be stuck in past. That's why they are feeling very stressed. Now they are in postponement mode. So you have to take action towards your person. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Control. Yes, some controlling issues. I think it could be you, Taurus, controlling. Receptivity, Queen of Cups. Yes, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Definitely you both have emotions for each other. So let's pull some more cards from universe. Taurus, Two of Cups from your person's side. The Moon. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, the Tower. And one more card, Seven of Pentacles. Yes, one person invest in this connection more than the other person. I think it's your person invest in past more than you. Now they are waiting for your actions towards them. And Two of Cups, you both love each other and your person loves you. There is no doubt. So there could be some Tower moment in your future. So after the Tower moment, some controlling issues are also there. King of Swords, some harsh communication, but there is love. So it's up to you. It depending upon your situation, because you have love, you have emotions between both of you. But one person invests in this connection more than the other person. That's the issue, because in relationship you both have to be on the same page, then it will go to next level. So it's not here in past, but I think your person also want long-term commitment, but you have to take action here. I am getting Taurus. So it's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.